Gino, the keto, the Guido, capiche. Today we are going to be doing a recipe, a Chinese food recipe, Miss Chinese food. Think you can't have it on keto? Guess again. Here we go. We're going to be doing a low carb Chinese recipe. It is going to be a sesame orange type chicken, all right? And then I'm going to do a little cauliflower rice with it, fried rice. All right, so if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you. Please hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up. It is free to subscribe to my channel, by the way. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Share this to your personal pages, please. That is how, this works. That's how I get more subscribers and viewers. So share, 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 comment, and share, please. All right, so let's get down into this video now and make some delicious sesame orange chicken. All right, guys. Hey, Gino back here. I'm Gino, the keto, the Guido, capiche. All right, so I'm going to be using the Icy Pure protein, okay? Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to flavor the protein powder. I've done this before with the Chick-fil-A sandwich, okay? In a video, so know the breading mixture that I am going to be using here. I already have my chicken diced up and cut up in chunks here. Bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to flavor my protein powder because it is unflavored. I'm just going to put a little bit of garlic salt in here. Now, when this whole dish is done, you're going to be doing scallions and stuff. There's a couple ingredients that I actually don't have, so I'm just doing it with what I have. But I will tell you, what to do. So, I've got that. The protein powder here. Got my chicken here. I'm going to do up an egg. I'm going to dip in the egg, protein powder, both sides, clean plates. Then I'm going to fry these pieces up in some avocado oil, and then come back and do the sauce for this. All right, guys? So stay tuned, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, Gino back here. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to show you each piece, but I'm just going to show you just how to do it. And take your time with doing it so it doesn't clump and, get messy. You're going to dip it in the egg. Then you're going to take it and you're going to dip it in the protein powder mixture. And then you're going to put it on a clean plate. And you're going to do it with each piece of chicken. These are all bite-sized pieces of chicken. So we're going to do this with each piece. We're going to dip it in. Like that. Take the excess off. Put it on a clean plate. And we're going to go through this process with each piece of chicken until we get to the frying stage. Okay? Clean plate. When you are done with the mixture, when you're done breading it, it's going to look like that, okay? Now we are going to fry it and make the sauce. Alright, so here is the sauce. It isn't thickened yet, but when I do thicken it, I am going to be using the secret ingredient, which is the xanthan gum. Everything will be linked below in the recipe for the sauce. Like I said, the secret ingredient will be the xanthan gum to thicken it up. Right now I am going to go over and fry the chicken pieces, and then we will thicken the sauce up at the last minute. All of the ingredients, the proportions will be in the comments, but it is water, distilled vinegar, red pepper flakes, fresh garlic. You use ginger, you can use orange zest, but I didn't have certain ingredients. But everything will be linked below. to what the sauce is going to be. And then also I like to use the toasted sesame oil because it gives it that authentic Chinese flavoring. All right, so I'm gonna go fry up this chicken and then we will add the sauce and the thickening agent. Again, if you guys are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up. Share and comment to your personal pages. That would be awesome if you can share this. That would be great. All right. Again, welcome if you're new. Hit the bell icon. You'll get notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you make it. All right. All right. So here I am browning up the chicken. Or frying up the chicken in some avocado oil. You'll see how crispy and delicious it gets. See here, we're cooking it. We're cooking it till nice golden brown on both sides, about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to be getting the sauce going. This is how beautiful and crispy the chicken is. Now we're going over to do the sauce. See how thick the sauce is. Alright, I got the xanthan gum right there. I'm going to be putting that into the sauce as my thickening agent. Added the chicken to the sauce and it is thickening. So now it's just going to cook and thicken up in here. Then we'll throw the sesame seeds and we'll throw the broccoli in there. I will link everything below. But look how yummy this looks. When this is all finished with the sesame seeds, going to be delicious. And the best part will be the taste test. All right, I will be back. Look how delicious that is. This delicious orange chicken. Oh, actually, it's more of a sesame chicken the way I did it because I didn't use the orange zest. So, sesame chicken with broccoli. When I plate this up, it will have sesame seeds all over it. But, see, this sauce is thickening. This is a really good dish. I'm going to be making some fried cauli rice to go with it. But, man, this is delicious stuff. Can't wait to come back and show you the taste test. Again, this is Gino here from Gino the Keto the Guido Capiche. Thanks for joining me, guys, in making this delicious sesame chicken with broccoli, because that's what this is. There's different ingredients. I don't have scallions. It would typically be topped with scallions. I will be linking everything below. And I didn't use the orange zest, but if you want to do an orange chicken, you know, oranges are not keto, but the zest is fine. You can zest in an orange. But I did not do that. I just made a simple sesame sauce, which I will link below. And it thickened up by using the xanthan gum. I will be topping with sesame seeds. And the other secret ingredient is the toasted sesame seed oil. This makes it really good, and it tastes like authentic Chinese food. So, again, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Please share it to your personal pages. And thanks again for being here with me and making this yummy, delicious, low-carb, ketogenic Chinese dish, which is my version because I did more of a sesame chicken than an orange chicken. Like I said, if you want to make it the orange chicken, just use the zest. I will link that below, but I didn't have... This is my delicious fried cauli rice. You wouldn't even know that this was fried cauliflower rice. Just threw some regular frozen vegetables in. So I'm making have a little vegetables in the fried rice. And scrambled up the egg. So this is going to go with our delicious sesame chicken tonight. Hi guys, Gino back here from Gino the Keto the Guido Capiche, doing the taste test of the sesame chicken, the keto version sesame chicken. My boy Bentley. The chicken is nice and crispy. Oh, and I did cauliflower fried rice with a scrambled egg, Real good. My favorite part is the taste test. This is amazing, guys. You need to try this recipe. It's very easy and simple. It's delicious. I will link the recipe below. Again, thanks guys for watching. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. It is free. Then please like this video. Show me some love. Give me a thumbs up and share this to your personal pages so the word gets out, please. That would be awesome. And thank you all for watching. And seriously, you need to try this. If you're looking for something different, you know, the same old things on keto, make this, man. They won't disappoint. And I will link the recipe. Like I said, you can also do, like this one here, I did sesame because I didn't have some other ingredients. Normally, you would slice some scallions on top. You can do the orange chicken, and it would be keto, but just the zest, and you can do that. But I didn't have that in the house either, so I just went with a regular sesame sauce. And there is some, what do you call it, pepper flakes, the red pepper flakes to tasting. Mine's not real spicy, but you can do that to tasting in the sauce. All right, guys, thanks again for joining us today. This is Gino, the Keto, the Guido, Capiche, saying ciao.